before we start, I have to have an intro. Hold on.
The party. Let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going?
Hello kids, hello my children, people, friends, everybody, what's up? Before I start this video, I'm gonna just ask you a real quick question. Can you subscribe? It's right. It's somewhere over here. You know the button. You've seen it. You've been on YouTube long enough. I don't have to explain this. I just hope you guys subscribe, just so you know, because you can't just watch this video and then not subscribe, because it's like I want you to come back. I just want you to join the family, and like when you join the family, it makes me feel better. And don't you want me to feel better, right? So today I will show you guys my favorite things. Basically what I've been loving this month, or of August. August is not over yet, but I don't want to hear that because I just don't have time for that right now. It's here and it's almost over my brain because college is about to start, so August is gone. Goodbye. So I want to come here and show you a couple things that I noticed that is literally a part of my holy grail, and I thought it'd be like really good for me to explain it to you guys, so I can literally put you on, you know, you get the right stuff from your girl. So what's up? Let's go. I'm gonna do a lot of different sections, so it's gonna be beauty, I guess makeup is in beauty too, hair, clothes, music. I think that's as much as I've been like standing so far. I can tell you the people that I've been stalking in my life. Maybe, I don't know, that sounds kind of scary. Okay, let's go. So the first thing I want to say, so we can get this first started, for perfume, because I wear a lot of perfume. What I've been using lately is called Scentbird. So basically it's a perfume like company that has over like 400, like you can choose over 450 like different types of perfumes, from like Gucci, Prada, Versace, all of that. And I usually wear like Versace as my fragrance because, you know, your girl she expensive. With Scentbird, basically it comes in this little pouch, which is super cute, and you can literally like just go like this and throw it in your bag. And so what you do is you can pull it out, and this is literally the bottle that's in here, like the bottle that you want to choose, it's in here, and it's only $15, girl. 15 bucks. 15 buckaroos. You don't even have to commit to the full-size bottle, because don't you hate when you buy a full-size bottle and it's expensive and then you're not even getting what you want, right? Because I know I do. What you do is you literally pull this up, and then you can pull this out and you see the actual thing, and on the, you see on the bottle it literally says Gucci, and so this is the literally what you do is you slip it up and then you like spray it on yourself. So if you want to see the scents that I chose, the scents that I chose is the Gucci, because you know your girl is expensive. Thank you, thank you. I also chose I'm gonna butcher this, I already know. Ete Libre d'Orange, you know, it just smells good. I'm gonna just be honest with you. Also chose Versace because literally, like, you guys understand, like I literally buy this like thing over and over again. So it comes in like these little pouches, and I really like using these because in college I'm really like on the go, and I need to be moving. I don't need to be late to class because life be hitting me too much and I ain't trying to get my points deducted. So these are really good when I just want to be on the go, but I want to smell good, or say if I'm just out and I just notice I just really want to smell good, like I could just spray it. So these are something that has been my holy grail, and I'm sharing it to you guys because I don't know, I just need to put y'all on. I need y'all to know. Also, you know, your girl got you a coupon code, 30% off, literally $10 off of your first one for the first month or something like that, and use my code OLI30. So yeah, that's the first thing that's been you know, oh, I smell good. expensive. The next perfume that I've been actually using is the Versace Bright Crystal, and this is literally what I wear. This is my like signature scent, and that's what I got in Scentbird because I don't want to carry this large item literally everywhere I go because one, I'm clumsy, two, I know I'm gonna break it, so I just don't have time for that. Just don't. No. So yeah, this is my favorite, you know, perfume. And it smells oh so good. Moving on to makeup. The I would say these staple items that I literally like live for. The Fenty matchsticks. Like, I didn't think that I would use something so much. Literally, in the color Espresso, which is this one, and then in the color Rum. I really like using this because this is like my staple highlight. Because I like gold highlights on me. I think gold really just accentuates and makes my, like, you know, face look good. And then this is the best, I swear, best contour stick. Riri, you did that. You did that. Because literally I use this on to like contour my lips. Use it on my eyelids as like a eyeshadow, but it's something quick. I use it for my contour. I use it for my life, you know. I use it to, you know, fix relationships, you know, fix, you know, everything, you know. What she did, that, thank you. So these are literally like my staple makeup items, like this, and oh my god, oh my freaking god. As you can see, I'm running out, but this is the LA Pro Girl in Fawn. These three items here, this will be my literal, this is like my makeup routine, plus like powder, because you know I'm not trying to walk out with my face falling off. This three though, like, if I could like go to, like, you know they say like, oh yeah, if you're stuck on an island, like what would you bring? I would bring this and my eyebrows and my phone and hopefully a charger with an outlet, you know, somewhere on the island. Hopefully there's an outlet on the island. Probably not, but you know, we're just gonna hope it is. So yeah, you know, oh, and a speaker. Hopefully they got all that on the island. If they don't, just kill me. Next, in my favorite things that I like to use, this is for now hair. For the hair items that are like literally like my staple, like I've been loving this month. This is the month that I actually discovered these two items. So as we know, that controversial statement and all this other things that, you know, Eco Styler can give us cancer. I don't know. Listen, I'm not against it. I'm not for it. I'm in the middle. I'm just saying, I already do too many things in my life that's life-threatening, and I don't need another one. Okay. So, what I like to use instead of Eco Styler, which was like literally my love, I use the Gorilla Snot Gel. And I don't know how I found this. I just remember I was in CVS and I was like, I need a gel that's not gonna cause me cancer. But you know what's crazy? This probably got it too. I don't know, because there's a couple of ingredients I can't say. So you know what? Honestly, just kill me. Just kill me at this point. The next gel, I would say, because like I don't use this for my wash and goes. I use this to like slick down my hair and stuff like that. But I don't use this to like wear my curly hair out, because it just doesn't work. What I like to use is the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and this is such a staple item for my hair. Like, my hair loves it because I don't know what it is, but Eco Styler, it used to make my hair feel really dry and crunchy, and like I got so used to that feeling, I was just like whatever. But then once I used this, that's when I was like, wow, like your hair is not supposed to feel like it's gonna break off. Wow. Oh, that was shade. Shade. This is one of my favorites, you know. This baby, me and her, you know, we've been together for a cool minute, and you know, we ain't never breaking up. Yeah. Clothes, the two items that I would say has been like saving my life. You're gonna be so sad because literally I thrifted these items, and I can tell you where I thrifted them from, but I don't know if you're gonna find them because they're thrifted items. So, you know. They're both pants. If no one knows, I'm literally a pants type of person. I like shorts a lot, but I notice I wear a lot of pants. Just, you know, because I wear pants. I don't know. Everybody wear pants. The first pants I would say I love is these like blue, like these like biker pants. They're called like O'Neill's, and they're like these blue huge like biker pants, and honestly like I kind of sleep with them, you know. I'm kidding. But you know, I really like these pants. I would just say that like they're like my whole aesthetic, and they go with a lot of clothes. And I noticed my favorite colors lately have been like neutrals and blacks and blues. I like light colors, but I've noticed I've been more into like those type of colors. The only time you'll see a pop of color is like on my nails, or speaking of that, these nail tech. These are the first pants, and then these second ones are these like, they're like kind of like brown but burgundy, and they're like these corduroy pants, and literally they're so bomb. Like I don't care what anybody says, these are just such a staple item. Like I put them with so many outfits, and they just made them pop, and I'm just like, wow. These are literally like my babies. I got these at Goodwill for like, I want to say $5. Like what? And then I got these O'Neill's at American Vintage, and if you live in LA, that's literally like on Melrose. So I got this from American Vintage, and these are like $30, which was what the hell. Because I met somebody and they were telling me that they were like, oh, I love your pants, like where'd you get them? I ordered them. I was like, oh, I got mine at American Vintage for $30. They were like, what? I ordered mine on eBay for like $50, and I was like, coins. That literally like is amazing. And wow, I did not have a lot of stuff here. I want to show you music that I've been standing for a minute now. The usual, let me see what I've been on this month. I would say, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh yeah, you're gonna say Astroworld. But no, I'm not gonna say Astroworld. I like Astroworld, but I would not say I played it like over and over and over again. I would say actually what album I've been replaying, 2 albums that I've been replaying over and over again, like from front to literally, oh my god. So the first album that I've been like standing like literally for starting from like start to end is Channel Orange, because you know that's my husband. I'm just shuffle it. Each song on here is like a bop.
Ready for a press on my bed. Triple A, couldn't wait to let her go. Oh girl, and I just wanna know why you ain't going to work.
You're spending too much time alone.
Yeah, you're spending too much time alone.
And I just ran out of children.
Horses gotta do it wrong.
What? Each and every song, I just, oh my god.
You don't know how you matter until you're all alone. In the middle of Arkansas, a little rockin' that crashed deep. Used to date a blonde.
Hands down, nobody can tell me this album ain't what a classic. Okay, the other album that I've been standing. I feel like all you guys are gonna be like, of course, Tati. But look, like y'all don't understand. Like these 2 albums here, like they hit my soul. Like the next one is Por Vida. She did that. She did that. Every song is a bop. Like every song is a bop. What do you know? Literally every song is a bop.
circuit. When I got caught, I hope that you're the verdict.
What? Oh. Honestly, this actually could end up turning into a Kali Uchis like concert at this point. So you know what? I'm just gonna stop here because you already know who I am and you already know I love her. So that's literally what oh yeah, and these sunglasses. that's pretty much all I love right now. Currently, you know. Yeah guys, that's the end of my video. I love you so much. I just wanted to show you guys like what I love this month, what's like what I've been on, you know, just to, you know, keep you updated with my life, you know, just so you know that I'm still here. I think that's it. I'll see you guys later. Also, make sure I'm gonna have to re-back that around. I'm gonna let y'all know again. Scent bird. I'm gonna need y'all to get that coupon code because I hope y'all didn't forget. I'm gonna let y'all know. I hope y'all did not forget because y'all ain't. Don't miss this up. Don't miss this up. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. You know, stay good, stay calm, collective. You know, keep y'all energy up, never down. I hate myself. All right, bye guys. I love you.